In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflow in Asana 2025. Step by step. We'll walk through setting up your project, defining clear stages, adding and managing tasks, and if you want to level up, using rules and forms to automate intake. First, set up the project. From the Create menu, choose Project. You can start with a blank project if you want full control, or choose a template if one already mirrors your process. Give the project a straightforward name so everyone recognizes it, choose the right privacy setting, and pick a default view. Board view is ideal for workflows because it lays out your process as columns that you can move tasks through visually. Next, define your workflow stages. In board view, each column represents a step in the journey, like to do, in progress, review, and completed. Click the column titles to rename them so they match your real process and terminology. If you need more stages, use the Add Section button to create them. Arrange the columns in the order work actually flows, and keep names short and unambiguous. You can refine these later as you learn. Now add and manage tasks. Inside each section, click Add Task to create work items. Open a task to see its details pane, where you can write a clear description, set a due date, and assign the task to the person responsible. Good descriptions reduce back and forth, and due dates help you forecast capacity. As work progresses, simply drag and drop tasks from one section to the next to reflect status. Encourage teammates to move their own tasks so the board stays up to date. If you want to automate routine steps, use rules. Open the Customize menu in your project, then select Add Rule. Start by setting a trigger, such as a task being moved to a new section or a form being submitted. Then define the actions you want, like automatically assigning the task, changing a custom field, or adding a subtask. Begin with 1 or 2 high-impact rules, test them with a sample task, and watch for overlap so automations don't conflict. Finally, consider using forms for structured intake. Use the Workflow Builder or the Forms feature, click the plus button next to your project name, and select New Form. Design fields that capture exactly what you need so submissions can automatically create a task in your project. Keep required fields minimal, preview the form, and submit a quick test to confirm tasks land in the right section. That's it. Your Asana workflow is ready. Keep iterating as your team's needs evolve, and you'll maintain a clear, predictable path from idea to done.